It's very kind of you to, plus verb, is used to say that you think someone's action is very kind and that you appreciate it a lot. Examples: It's very kind of you to remember my birthday. It's very kind of you to show us the way. It's very kind of you to invite me to your party. It's very kind of you to bring us some souvenirs from your trip. It's very kind of you to help me with my dance move. It's very kind of you to lend me your car. It's very kind of you to let me and my family stay at your house for a few days. It's very kind of you to inform me of the changes in the schedule. It's very kind of you to do the grocery shopping for me. It's very kind of you to drive me to the airport.